Hello and welcome to our channel. In today's tutorial, we'll guide you through the process of enabling pixel preview in the Sketchbook app on your mobile device. This feature is particularly useful for artists working on pixel art. First, open the Sketchbook app on your phone. Next, look at the top left corner and tap on the three horizontal lines. Then, from the menu that appears, scroll down and tap on Preferences. After that, within the Preferences menu, scroll down until you find the Pixel Preview option. Finally, toggle the Pixel Preview switch to the On position. Once enabled, your strokes will appear without anti-aliasing, providing a clearer view for pixel art creation. To save your settings, tap Done at the top left corner of the screen. By enabling Pixel Preview, you can enhance your pixel art workflow in Sketchbook, ensuring precise and sharp strokes. Remember to adjust this setting based on your artistic needs. If you found this tutorial helpful, please subscribe to our channel, like this video, and share it with fellow artists. Thank you for watching.